In this beautifully designed Japanese-style tiny home, the attic becomes a tranquil retreat elevated by smart design and harmony with nature. The attic features wide window openings that allow natural light to pour in and create an open, airy atmosphere. These expansive windows frame and stunning view of the Zen garden outside, effortlessly blending the interior space with a serene beauty of nature beyond. Along the attic walls, a zigzag-shaped storage cabinet adds both functionality and artistry. This creative layout not only provides ample room for personal items, books, or decor, but also enhances the visual rhythm of the space. The zigzag form cleverly maximizes storage and in the slope ceiling areas, making every inch count without feeling crowded. The combination of the calming Zen garden view, wide attic windows, and smart geometric storage creates a unique and peaceful atmosphere, perfect for relaxation, reading, or meditation. This tiny home does not just optimize space, it elevates it, bringing together the best of modern design and timeless Japanese aesthetic.